Hello, fellow apes people. Welcome to the Yangtze River. China's Yangtze River, a freshwater river, is the world's third longest river. It flows for 6,300 kilometers, or around 3,900 miles. It starts from the glaciers on the Qinghai-Tibet Plateau in Qinghai at coordinates 33 degrees 25 minutes 44 seconds north and 91 degrees 10 minutes 57 seconds east. It flows across southwest, central, and eastern China before emptying into the East China Sea at Shanghai at coordinates 31 degrees 23 minutes 37 seconds north and 121 degrees 58 minutes 59 seconds east. Throughout history, the river has shaped the lives and cultures of the people situated around it. The river also plays a big role in China's economy. The Yangtze River Delta, an economic region in China, generates as much as 20% of China's GDP.
The Yangtze River Basin has some of the highest levels of biodiversity in the world. The region supports 378 species of fish, more than 280 species of mammals, 145 species of amphibians, and 166 species of reptiles. Only in the forests of the Upper Yangtze can you find the giant panda, which is also the WWF symbol. The Yangtze finless porpoise, the only creature of this type in the world, lives solely in the middle and lower regions of the Yangtze River. Other exotic species that live in the Yangtze region include the snow leopard and the pangolin, a unique nocturnal animal, also known as the scaly anteater. The central Yangtze River and lakes are also important wintering and stopover sites for large numbers of migratory birds, including an estimated 95% of the world's Siberian crane population.
According to Chinese environmental activist Dai Cheng, the Yangtze used to be so clear that you could see a pen sink to the bottom. Now it has become so dirty that it is not fit for drinking. Due to commercial use of the river, tourism, and pollution, over the last 50 years there has been a 73% increase in pollution levels from hundreds of cities in the main stem of the Yangtze River. The pollution was exacerbated by waste from pig farms and untreated waste from factories and sewage plants dumped into the Yangtze River. In September of 2012, the Yangtze River near Chongqing even turned red from pollution. The major pollutants in the Yangtze mainstream are suspended substances, oxidizing organic and inorganic compounds, and ammonia nitrogen. This has severely reduced drinking water quality and contributed to dramatic eutrophication, which is the ecosystem response to increased levels of nutrients in a body of water.
As eutrophication causes algal blooms, it makes it difficult for fish to survive in the river. This factor limits the amount of species that can survive in the river basin. The lack of fish can easily cause a trophic cascade, which is a negative alteration of a food web. The birds and predators that feed on the fish have a lower survival rate, and the absence of drinking water worsens their chances. The rapid pollution of the Yangtze River can harm many species if the condition of the water is not improved. Some species have already been affected. The numbers of baiji dolphin, finless porpoise, and Yangtze alligator have went into freefall from the combined effects of accidental catches during fishing, river traffic, habitat loss, and pollution. When the baiji dolphin went extinct in 2006, the world lost an entire genus.
In addition, the Yangtze is the fourth largest sediment carrier in the world due to heavy farming and logging. In the first 60 years of the 20th century, the Yangtze's sediment yield increased by about 30%, which corresponds to a related increase in surface erosion, or degrading of material from the exterior surface in the basin. Lastly, hydropower developments severely affect water quality. The Three Gorges Dam, the world's largest hydroelectric station, is located at the Three Gorges of the Yangtze River. The Three Gorges Dam reduces the velocity of the Yangtze River, increases its water depth, and alters the natural flow regime. It traps polluted water and sediments, worsening eutrophication.
The Yangtze River would make a great destination for an apes field trip. We would be able to see in person the effects of runoff and eutrophication. We would also see the rare species that inhabit the surrounding area. With that being said, it's important that we protect the Yangtze River from further destruction. It's too valuable to too many organisms, as well as humans, to lose to pollution. Hopefully, the Chinese government will take the steps necessary to prevent further harm to the river.